Hi guys, here in a short video to show you how to create and format a annotated bibliography or a works cited page for your research projects. So first and foremost, I'm going to want you to open up your notes chart. And at this point, I'm going to make sure that you have your notes taken, that you've read those articles, you know what those articles are about, and specifically you know why those articles are credible. That's going to be important. You may have to go back and review. Additionally, we definitely need this full citation done for at least 4 of our articles. That's what my goal is that by the end of Tuesday, we've got 4 articles that are fully cited that we are definitely going to use in our paper. So we have 2 for one side, 2 for the other side of our issue. Cool. Once we have our notes chart completed and open, I'm also going to have us open up our actual position paper where we're going to be typing our essay. So go back to Google Classroom and open up this research position paper document. There's a little open button over here on your screens. And open up that position paper, and it'll say position paper dash your name, whatever your name is. Cool. Should bring you to this page here, which is where I'm going to have you create your essay and obviously update it with your information. So, update your name to Jane Smith, whatever your name is. Update your correct class period. It is no longer 2016. It is April. When this paper is going to be due, 2017. And then update your title. Standardized testing or whatever issue or topic you have. Before we go any further, there's one more detail that I want you to change. And you need to go to View, and you need to go to Print Layout. And you'll notice that popped up this little page number thing up here. You notice how this page number is highlighted gray. That means that it's going to change. That's an actual page number. It's not just a numeral 1. Obviously, we want to update this your name. Cool. Once we've got everything updated, bring our cursor down here, press return, and we're going to create a new page. If you haven't done this before, it's called creating a page break. And in order to do that, you're going to hold down Control, and you're going to press Enter. And see how that skips all this space in between and makes a new page down here? This is what we want, because we want our works cited page to go at the very end of our essay. So as we're typing, this page will just keep moving down and keep getting bumped. So it's the last page of our document. So we are going to make this our works cited. Now, next step is to start copy and pasting our full citations from our document in here into our document in here. And for right now, don't worry about the formatting. So right now, just get all of these guys in here, and I'm going to put them in alphabetical order. So this one's Roach. Roach comes before Witherby. Next one is Popham, James. So Popham also comes before Roach. And then my last source, for example, is this guy, Lack Almagor, and he goes right here. Cool. Once I've got this, a neat little trick to make sure all of your formatting is correct and in an MLA formatting, hold down Control and press A. That will select everything in your document, and we're going to change it. Make sure that it is Times New Roman, 12-point font. Let's even make sure everything is nice and black in text. And then we're going to make sure that it is double-spaced. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the last part that we're going to do is going to be adjust our formatting. Because right now it's really hard to see, like, okay, here's where one ends and here's where the next one starts. Because it's all aligned right along this left margin. Easy way to change this is I'm going to highlight everything that I want to change. I'm going to go up here to my little indent blue tab. And I'm going to grab this triangle. It's a little tricky. Grab the triangle and move it over to 1/2 inch. Right? And that's going to move everything over. And now I'm going to grab this tiny little rectangle and move it back. And what that does is that changes only the first line of our citation. So now we have what's called a hanging indent. And anything else that I type along here will keep moving down in that line. So we've got, okay, everything that comes after this is going to be from this James Popham article. Cool. That's how we create our works cited. To make it an annotated works cited, we're going to add 2 things for me. 2 short things, but 2 very, very important things. You're going to add what the source says and why it's credible. basically an objective summary saying this source explains why standardized testing, and I might even list what those reasons are, like really, really brief overviews of what this argument is. Don't just say that my testing is about the death penalty. My article is about factory farming. Not specific enough. We need to be accurate to say what exactly about factory farming or what exactly about the death penalty is this article talking about. Is it in support? Why is it in support? Is it in opposition? Why is it opposition? What arguments does it bring up? So to give you some examples of that, you can take a look at my sample paper, which is in Google Classroom, Mr. Ested's sample position paper, and scroll down to my annotated works cited, and I've got some examples here. You can see they're pretty short, 2-3 sentences, and I'm just going to grab this one. This is my example. Drop it in here. Pretty handy. And if your source, if you have trouble with your formatting where you paste it in and it looks weird or it's, comes out of alignment there, just highlight everything and move it over. It looks like that. All right, that's your task. Good luck. I want to see at least four sources in your works cited by Wednesday. Wednesday is when I'm going to start checking these. Good luck. Holler if you have questions.